Charlie! Stop! Wait! Okay. Wait! Faster! Achoo! Wait! What is going on? I got the sniffles, Charlie. Go! Wait! Go! Wait! Go! Wait! You're a good boy, Charlie. I think it's a little dusty here. Maybe that's why I keep sneezing. Construction. Let me pet you. You are such a good boy. It's kind of windy, isn't it, Charlie? Don't worry, you may eat. Ooh, it's a strong one. Look at those cheeks. Num 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 num. Let's see if he's a good boy. No? Charlie? No! Charlie, how many times do I have to tell you to stop? Charlie? One attempt? He's totally trying to test me. I can see more attempts are coming. Let's see what he can do. Charlie! What's that? Did I scare you? Hi, Charlie. Head up. Go. Oh my, Charlie. I'm gonna grab his hand. Charlie. Okay, we're about to go on a bus ride. Are you ready? Make sure you hold on. 2 hands, please. It's gonna be a bumpy road. I know, Charlie. Okay, now it's gonna get a little rocky. Here we go. You want it? Okay, I guess that's a yes. Let me think about it. Let's go. Look how excited you got. Charlie! Let's go. Okay, that's enough.